In a volatile turn of events captured by Magaba News, outspoken ZANU-PF ally Temba Mliswa has launched a vigorous defense of Mnangagwa's governance following a chilling warning issued by an army general regarding a potential referendum. The intersection of military authority and political governance has reached a fever pitch, with Mliswa positioning himself as a primary defender of the current administration's legitimacy. This confrontation highlights a deepening rift within the political establishment as the stakeholders grapple with the implications of military intervention in civil democratic processes. Sarabila Mashobranyo watches ZANU-PF ally Temba Mliswa defense Mnangagwa government. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. The controversy stems from unprecedented public warning issued by an army general concerning a proposed referendum, a move that has sent shockwaves through the political hierarchy. As a known ally of the ZANU-PF party, Temba Mliswa's intervention serves as a critical pressure release valve for Mnangagwa administration, which has faced mounting scrutiny. The background of the tension lies in the delicate balance of power between the executive branch and the security apparatus, a dynamic that has defined the political landscape and necessitated a rapid public-facing response from government supporters to maintain institutional stability. Mliswa is engaging in a high-stakes political maneuvering. The situation is indicative of a broader struggle for control over the narrative of national governance. The video content highlights that the administration is not merely responding to external pressure, but is actively managing the internal conflict involving its most potent power brokers, ensuring that the executive retains primacy over military dissent. The implications of high-level military official issuing warnings about a referendum extend far beyond the immediate political theater. For the Mnangagwa government, the primary impact is the potential erosion of investor confidence and democratic legitimacy. In Southern Africa, where security sector reform is a recurring theme, the sight of the general wading into constitutional matters like a referendum triggers alarms regarding the separation of powers. This development forces the government to balance its reliance on military support with the need to present a stable, democratic, face-to-face international community, direct impacting the nation's geopolitical standing. Toma developments are reported in the comment section. So unsubscribe or like, catch it on the bell.